Novatek PH31 single-phase voltage relay. The device has a pulse power supply that allows it to be used with irregular voltage sources, single-phase generators, UPSs, and inverters with a modified sine wave. Let's take a look at the Visio template for the Novatek voltage relay. The Novatek PH31 electrical diagram model is made to scale with high detail accuracy. All basic elements are included. The device name is indicated. There is an article number corresponding to the manufacturer's catalog. You can select the display status of the diagram. The parameter adjustment handles are movable. You can turn them to make your diagram clearer. Thus, using Microsoft Visio electrical shapes, you can quickly and easily create clear and informative diagrams of electrical circuits and panels. You can download this and other available electrical shapes for Visio from the author's website. Links are in the description. We wish you beautiful work.